Hello, dear student. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your watch time, your videos. Now, today, dear student, I am going to discuss chapter number 4 on page number 29 and question number 2nd. So, now open your textbook on page number 29 and question number 2. Here, question number 2 are written. Now, page 29 and question number 2. Here question is asking by how much does 82 lakh 4,576 exceed 65 lakh 27,890. Dear student, here exceed means more. That is question you can understand like this: by how much does 82 lakh 4,576 more than 65 lakh 27,890. Suppose I ask how much 10 more than 7, then your answer will be 3. How can 3? By subtraction. So here we will use the operation subtraction. So now come on, second one. So you can write 82 lakh 4,576 exceed or this can be written as more. Exceed or more 65. Exceed in bracket you can write more for understanding. 65 lakh 27,890 each. We have to use the operation subtraction here. So subtract this number from this number first to arrange. So 82 lakh 4,576 minus 65 lakh 27,000. Sorry, this number written wrong. 27,890. Now we have to subtract. We start from ones column. 6 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6, and here you can't subtract 9 from 7. You take 4 from 5, it will be 17. 17 minus 9 is 8, and here 4, so it becomes 14 minus 8 is 6, and here will be 3, so take 4 from here, it will be 13 minus 7 is 6, and here 9 minus 2 is 7, and here become 1, so 11 minus 5 is 6, and here is 7 here remaining, so 7 minus 6 is 1. That is your answer is 16 lakh 76,686. So this is the answer. I hope all of understand. Once again, here asking by how much 82 lakh 4,576 exceed means more. I written here bracket 65 lakh 27,890. So we will use here the subtraction. We will arrange the number. Greater number we have to write upside, smaller number downside, and arrange in columns, and after that subtract. The answer becomes 16 lakh 76,686. And question number 3rd you can do by yourself. I am going to do on page number 30. So please open page number 30. I hope children you continue your study. Now come on question number 4, page number 30. Page number 30. Here question number 4. Question is written, write the correct digit in the box. Right? Here asking write the correct write the correct digit in the box. In the box. First one, here 5 and here made a box 3 4 6 0 5 minus here box is made and here 7 and here 2 and here box 3 5 box 3 4 3 4 6 0 5. The first space is box, then 7, then 2, then 1, and here box is made, and then here 4, and then here box. And answer is given here 2, 9, 1, 3, 1, 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here the answer is already given. Then you have to think which number subtracted from 5 become 2. Do you know which number subtracted from 5 will be 2? So here will be 3. So you write here 3. And here you have to subtract this one. 10 minus 4 is 6 already. Here 5 is remaining. So you can think which number subtracted from 5 become 1. So here should be 4. And then here 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Correct? Then here asking which number subtracted from 7 become 9. Which number should be subtracted from from this number? That is, we will think from which number we subtract 7 become 9. So what should be there? Here should be 6. If you take borrow from here, this becomes 16, and 16 minus 7 will be 9. And here 4 is remaining. So and here 4 is remaining. So 4 minus which number become 2. So here should be 2. So this box will be 2, and this box is 6, and here should be 4, and here should be 3. So similarly you can complete the remaining 2 questions, that is question number 2 and 3. Now in this exercise I would like to do your second one also. Second is written like this here 5, 9, and box is made, and then here 4, and then here box, and then here 6, here 2. This is 2. And here box made, this also is box made, and here 7 is written, and here box is made, and here 4 written, and here 2 box more. Answer is given. Answer is given 2, 0, 9, 8, 5, 0, 8. So you can think which number subtract from 2 become 8. So there will be no number, so take borrow from here 12. That is, you should be think which number subtract from 12 become 8. That is 4. So here should be 4. And similarly here should be 5. Because here 5 is remaining. So which number subtract from 5 become 0. So here should be 5. And then here 5 is remaining. Here which number should from which number subtract 4 become 5. So what should be here? Here written 2 0 9 8 9 8 5 0 this 2 0 9 8. Now here should be 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. And here should be 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. And here should be 7. Because here 6 is remaining. So 16 minus 7 is 9. So here should be 7. And then here will be 8. So write down 8 is here. And here should be which number subtract 2 from 11 to 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So here should be 7, here 9. And here this box should be 8. This will be 8. This will be 6. And this will be 5. And this will be 4. So question number 3 you can complete by yourself. Now I am going to discuss problem solving. That is 5th one. Problem solving. Question number 5, problem solving. Problem solving. Problem solving here, first one. Here given a city corporation gets a revenue for rupees 97 crore 65 lakh 34,791. It spent rupees 89 crore 78 lakh 65,985 on various projects, and the rest of the amount is to be spent on development work of the city. Here asking how much is the remaining amount. So you know how to do this question. We will subtract here because here asking how much is the remaining amount. So you can write a statement directly one line or more than one line. A city corporation gets a revenue. You can write. I am going to write here the statement shortly. The remaining amount. Or you can write anyway the statement. A city corporation gets a revenue. You can write first line. A city corporation gets a revenue of rupees 97 crore 65 lakh 34,791. A city corporation gets a revenue 97 crore 65 lakh 34,791. It spends, you can write second line, it spends rupees 89 crore 78 lakh 65,985 for various projects. Then third line you can write the remaining amount. Hence the remaining amount is, you can subtract first variance 97 crore 65 lakh 34,791 minus 89 crore 78 lakh 65,985 subtract it. If you will subtract here, 11 minus 5 is 6, 8 minus 8 is 0, and this becomes 17 minus 9 is 8, and then here 13 minus 5 is 8, and here 12 minus 6 is 6, and then here 4, so 14 minus 8 is 6, 14 minus 8 is 6, and here become 15 minus 7 is 8, and then here 16 minus 9 is 7, 8 minus 8 is 0. So answer will be 7 crore 86 lakh 68,806 rupees. This will be the remaining amount. I hope you understood how to do this. And now come on here, third one. Second is I will give the practice question. Second one you will complete at home. Now I am going to do here third one. The difference between two numbers is 64,967. If the greater number is 93 lakh 42,156, find the smaller number. Difference is given and greater number is given. Here asking the smaller number. So we will use here the operation subtraction. We will subtract here difference from the greater number. So now come on it. Now children, come on third one. You can read the question from your textbook on page number 30, problem solving third. Here given the difference between two numbers. The difference between two numbers, here given 64,967. If the greater number and the greater number is given. Greater number here given 93 lakh 42,156 93 lakhs is 42,156. We are asking small number, hence you can write hence smaller number is the smaller number, and the smaller number is, and the smaller number is, you can arrange and subtract 93 lakh 42,156 minus 64,967. Now subtract it. 16 minus 7 is 9. 16 minus 7 is 9. And here become 4. 14 minus 6 is 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. Here 10. Here become 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. And then here become also 1. So 11 minus 4 is 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. And here 13 minus 6 is also 7. And then here 2 is remaining. That is 92 lakh 77,189. So I hope all of you understand. And the problem solving, that is the combination of addition and subtraction, I will discuss later. Dear student, I hope all of you understand, and if you have any problem, any doubt, they can ask without any hesitation. And so today only this much.